9 hidden Google apps to make your Android phone smarter. Think you know all the Google apps that come with your Android device? Think again. Beyond the usual suspects, there are several lesser-known Google apps that pack a punch and can seriously upgrade your smartphone experience. From quick shortcuts to fun customization, here are 9 surprising tools you might want to explore to get more out of your device. **** 1. Action blocks ***. Imagine performing common tasks like calling a friend, navigating somewhere, or controlling smart home gadgets, with just one tap. That's exactly what Action Blocks offers. Instead of saying a command each time, you create personalized shortcuts and place them right on your home screen. Perfect for anyone wanting quick access or those with mobility challenges, this app makes life easier with a simple tap. ***2. Google Opinion Rewards ***. Craving a way to earn Google Play credits effortlessly? This app surveys you on shopping, travel, or brands, quick, friendly questions that take less than a minute. Over time, these small tasks add up, letting you buy apps, movies, or books without spending a dime. ***3. Wallpapers ***. Bored of your phone's look? The Google Wallpapers app offers a curated set of gorgeous images, think landscapes, cityscapes, or abstract art, that can refresh your home or lock screen instantly. With daily updates and easy navigation, it's a simple way to keep your phone stylish. ***4. Google Authenticator ***. Security first. This tiny app generates special codes to add an extra layer of protection to your accounts via two-factor authentication. It supports multiple services, so whether it's your email, social media, or banking apps, your digital life stays safer. ***5. Magnifier ***. Sometimes, getting a closer look is all you need. Google's Magnifier turns your phone into a powerful zoom tool, perfect for reading tiny print on labels or maps. It offers lighting and contrast adjustments, making it an essential carry-around helper. ***6. Gallery ***. Google Photos gets all the spotlight, but if you prefer a simple, no-fuss photo viewer, the lightweight Gallery app is a hidden gem. Organize your pictures easily, do quick edits, and enjoy a clean interface without extra clutter. ***7. Snapseed ***. When it comes to editing photos, Snapseed stands out. Free and powerful, it caters to everyone, from casual shooters to pros. With intuitive tools and advanced features like curves, white balance, and lens blur, your photos will look professionally edited in no time. ***8. Chrome Remote Desktop ***. Ever need to grab a file from your home computer while on the go? Chrome Remote Desktop makes that a breeze. Set it up and control your PC from your phone securely, no complicated network tricks required. ***9. Google Voice ***. Want to unify all your calls and messages? Google Voice does just that, offering a single number across devices. Forward calls, manage voicemails, block spam, and keep your communication streamlined, ideal if you switch between gadgets or work remotely. These hidden Google apps may not come pre-installed, but they could become your favorites once you give them a try. They're small tools packed with big potential, waiting to make your Android experience smarter, safer, and more fun.